Hello foodies, welcome back to Novel Kitchen. Today let's make homemade keto mayonnaise or a paleo mayonnaise which has never been easier before. Mayonnaise is a friendly accompaniment to chicken recipes or any other recipes that tend to go dry. Store-bought mayonnaise can be expensive and filled with harsh vegetables or soya. That's why making homemade keto mayonnaise is well worth the effort. The main ingredient for this is of course egg. Add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, season it with half a teaspoon of salt, pepper powder half teaspoon, close the lid and blend it nicely till everything is combined well from medium to high speed. Make sure everything is combined well. Now slowly add 1 cup of olive oil, about 3 tablespoons initially, and blend it well. You can see everything is emulsifying together. Add some more oil and give it a good mix in the blender. Now you can see the mixture starts to form a slightly stiffer consistency. Now you can add another cup of olive oil and blend it well. Now you can see the mayonnaise is slightly more thicker in consistency than before. Add olive oil little by little and blend it well till you get a rich, creamy, thicker mayonnaise like this. Not only keto mayonnaise helps in boosting the fat content of your meal, but it can improve the flavor of even the blendest dish. In one serving of mayonnaise, which is usually around 1 tablespoon, you will get around 142 calories and only 0.2 gram carb per serve. If you like this recipe, subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Don't forget to leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you.